We appreciate you choosing East Coast. Now let's walk through how to place an online order for your real estate media. When you follow the ordering link, you'll land on this screen where you'll choose the category of your listing. For this walkthrough, we'll use residential. Enter the property address, then fill in the square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and let us know if the home is in a named community or a subdivision with amenities. This helps us better prepare for your shoot. Next, choose your main package, such as standard photos, a video-only package, or a photo-video bundle. Click View Details to expand and see what's included. After that, you'll see a list of add-ons, things like aerials, floor plans, and virtual staging. Click any add-on to expand and view full details and pricing. Once you've selected your add-ons, you'll move on to your appointment preferences. Choose your preferred date and time of day, morning, midday, or afternoon. Next, we'll ask a few more important questions. What's the status of the property? Any access instructions like gate codes or lockbox combinations? Do you have a preferred photographer? Are there detached structures you would like photographed, like a guest house, barn, or garage? Are there any special features to highlight, like a pool, outdoor kitchen, or a great view? And finally, is there anything you'd like us to avoid capturing, such as a messy garage or personal items? Once that's done, you'll be able to review your full order, agree to the terms and conditions, and then submit. You'll then receive a confirmation email with your full order summary. Please review it carefully and let us know if there are any changes or revisions as soon as possible. And just a reminder, this is an order request, not a confirmed booking. After we review your order, we'll give you a call to confirm the details and offer available appointment times. Well, that's it. Thanks again, and we look forward to working with you.